This is only a matter of time when we find out all the secrets about this new camera that can cause death. So if you look at this, a swallowed a button cell or coin battery can cause internal chemical burns in as little as 2 hours. So a coin battery, okay? So this contains a coin battery. Let's read it here. Down here it says that this product contains non-replaceable coin battery of type ML414H. That's what it says there. Here's a few pictures on the sides, and then it's out of the reach of children. All right. Let's see what Smith & Wesson can help with. How do I open this? Here. And who of you likes a good unboxing video? Some people are here for the sound. I don't have good sound here. Okay, so I don't want this to disappear, so I put it in my pocket. Pocket is also the name of the camera I record this with. It has revolutionary imaging with a new sensor. Center track subjects, dual HDR OLED touchscreens, 4 hours or more capture, professional audio recording, that's what the Pro means, and robust stabilization. In the box, in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things we will find out. 1 year warranty. You need the app from the App Store in order to do things. Here it shows an arrow to open. Yeah, look at this. Another one. Here, open. There we go. That's how it opens. Cardboard box. Accessory here on the side. Let's look at that in a second. Camera. Silica gel, do not eat. Here is a code for an AI editor. This is all dual language. I don't know, there is a cardboard piece down here, but I think it's empty. Down there. Okay, so let's put this back. Let's have a look. Okay. Looks the same as the old ones. This looks a little cheaper here, the thing. Okay. Action 5 Pro. I'm gonna hear this. There. Okay. Here. USB. What's here? Battery and SD card. Clean the red seal before you close the cover. Okay. Guess we need the accessory thing. Let's see what we have. Look at that. USB to USB. USB-C to USB-C. Empty here. So, sticker and manuals. Oh, my dog's there. So, and then here, accessories. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Oh, so a screw. Never seen one like this before. Okay. Small battery. What else do we have here? So this is a cage. We had this before, a cage like this. Now in this case there is a sticker on this button. I don't know what that does. It protects here this on off QS button thing. Okay, so the camera can go in there. We saw the USB-C to USB-C already here, right? Okay, and then we have yeah, this one here. Okay, let's see. It's 2 in 1 here. I'm just thinking this morning that I need more of those things. So this there's like plastic tabs for something. I don't know what that is good for, but okay, this is a curved sticker for a helmet. I don't know what those pieces are good for, but they will have a reason for that. And then here, this looks a little different from the one before, with this rubber here. Right? Okay, let's see. Goes in here and unlocks. So we know this already from the previous camera. Okay, so that's that. And then here, battery. So since this camera is so very new, I assume that this battery has at least 50% power. It has written on here the amperage, 1950 milliamp hours. Okay. Plugs in here like this. No SD card. Okay, I turn it on for the very first time. One click, and DJI shows up. Okay, we go English. And you can 5 times you can skip and not use this with your app. Confirm the latest firmware version. Reset date and time. Confirm. Now you would have to enter your time and date. Start. Swipe left, right. Video. Tap to change shooting modes. Tap to preview photos. No files on internal storage. Tap and adjust to see audio parameters. Tap and hold to adjust digital zoom. Okay. Tap to check battery level. Don't know what that does. But there it goes. And then probably most likely it's the same as the stuff before. Right, and then we can start recording already. Battery looks like 50%. Very loud. Swipe down to set the length of time before recording turns off. Oh, so you can change how long it's going to record. Oh, but I don't know. But okay, so we will have new functions in here maybe. Tap to adjust volume. Oh, up here is the volume button. Yeah, so I think that's too much. There's also one up here. Look at this. We can now see how I record this here with the DJI Pocket 3. And then sooner or later I will make videos with that one. Yeah, so here is the internal microphone and the setup, how I just filmed this here with my Pocket 3. But this is the first actual recording with the 5 Pro.